Recording. Shut up!
Dude, those are too big pieces. Too small.
That's what she said. I guess. Got her dead body right there. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to. Whoa, sorry guys. Go closer. Toss him closer to them. Good. Oh dear. This is so stupid. What if we get like arrested for doing this? Can we? Animal torture or something? We're trying to like, I don't know, like trapping without a license. Do you need a license? Shut up. That guy's pretty brave. Dude, you're just like casually tossing them. Come on. Toss more on him. And more come on to you. He's going. Oh shit.